Hey everyone, we're Envirocycle, and our goal is pretty simple: sustainable solutions for all. Today, we're explaining the main recycling method our company focuses on, enzymatic recycling, and why we think it's worth paying attention to.
Most plastic today isn't recycled properly. According to a study done by researchers at the University of Vigo in Spain, less than 10% of plastics actually get recycled or reused. Mechanical recycling can only handle certain types of plastics, and even then, the quality usually drops after each cycle. A lot of things like colored bottles, multi-layered packaging, or polyester textiles end up being thrown out instead of reused.
What we use at Envirocycle is different. Enzymatic recycling relies on specially engineered enzymes that break plastic, mainly PET, down into its original building blocks. PET is the plastic used in most drink bottles, food packaging, and a lot of clothing fibers, so it makes up a huge amount of everyday waste. Instead of melting the plastic, the enzymes basically cut the polymer chains back into their original monomers.
Once those monomers are separated and cleaned, they can be used to make brand new PET again. And the important part is that the quality is the same as virgin plastic. The science behind this is already being demonstrated in pilot plants like ours. Companies and research groups are showing that enzymes can break down things mechanical recycling struggles with, including mixed colored bottles and textile fibers.
That matters because PET is everywhere. Bottles, containers, clothing, packaging. With enzymatic recycling, all of that becomes part of a closed loop, instead of ending up in a landfill or being downcycled into lower quality products.
The process is also efficient because the enzymes work under relatively mild conditions compared to some chemical recycling methods. This reduces energy use while still producing high purity output.
And since the resulting monomers are basically identical to what manufacturers already use, they can go right back into making bottles, textiles, and packaging without any loss of performance. According to plasticengineering.org, biorecycling can generate materials that are both 100% recycled and 100% recyclable.
So what we're trying to show here at Envirocycle is that enzymatic recycling isn't just an experiment, it's actually a practical way to deal with hard to recycle plastics.
And as the technology keeps improving, it could scale up to handle a big portion of global PET waste, which means less plastic pollution and less dependence on producing new fossil-based plastic.
That's why Envirocycle is focused on this method. It gives us a real chance at a circular plastic recycling system instead of a linear one.
Thanks for watching Envirocycle, sustainable solutions for all.